Yo, what's up everybody? I just now getting off work. As y'all can see, the steering wheel on. Yo, she sounds good. I just want to show you guys something real quick. I literally had this bag since middle school, guys. And I heard that BMW stopped making bags, so it's pretty cool that I was able to save that for all these years. I want to say thank you guys for getting my recent videos to 200 some views. That's crazy. I know it's not a lot, but I'm grateful for whatever I can get. I have a lot of stuff I plan to do for this car, and I say thank you guys for joining me on this journey. It's gonna be a fun one. It's not gonna be quick. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. It's not gonna be quick. Winter about to happen, so yo, go, dude. About to go link with the homie Justin real quick. We about to do like a quick little photo shoot. You feel me? Follow me on the gram. I'll link all my social medias in the description below. Let me know what you guys want to see, like what type of content. Like, I'm cool with whatever. As you guys can see, this car has intakes. I definitely need to do like a full review, walk around on this vehicle. I got y'all, don't worry, I got y'all. I'm gonna do it. I just gotta find time. I still have to get my other camera equipment. I brought the wrong GoPro, so unfortunately I have to send that one back. I brought the Hero 8, I believe, which is the old one, but shout out to the homie Jules. He told me which one to get, so I'm gonna get that. Comment below what type of whips y'all got if you guys do see this video and you're not robots, and let me know what your dream car is. I'm gonna be real with y'all. This is my realistic dream car, not gonna lie, but I still do have other cars I would like to add to my collection later on in life. I can just tell you guys right now what type of cars I would like. I pretty much like anything German other than Mercedes. I'm sorry for all you Mercedes guys. I just, I give Mercedes a W for like luxury vehicles, but as far as like actual performance cars, you already know I gotta rock out with BMW and Porsche, obviously, because Porsche is superior in my opinion. Those are pretty much cars I do like. I also like, obviously, the exotics, the Lambos, the McLarens, the Ferraris, etc. But I can tell you another, I won't even say this is realistic because shoot, only God knows when I'll be in the right position to get a Porsche, but it would be dope to have a GT3. Probably, I don't know. I really like the 99 1.2s, but that is way out of my price range, so I don't know. I'll probably, shoot, any Porsche is out of my price range. What am I saying? Yeah, any Porsche is pretty much out of my price range. But yeah, that'll be another dope, realistic car to own, I would say. But if we're talking like unlimited money, I would probably say the McLaren P1 for sure, the McLaren F1. I'll probably get a Enzo, definitely a Koenigsegg. That is like my all-time favorite dream car ever. Koenigsegg Agera R. Like, those cars are they just seem like something out of space, and they sound so good, like, it's crazy. But yeah, Koenigsegg for sure. I don't know how I'm gonna get one, but shoot, one day if God has that plan for me, I would definitely be pushing a Koenigsegg for sure. I don't know how I'm gonna get it, but that would be dope if I can ever live up to that and get that. That would be sick. Let me know down below what kind of cars you guys like. That would be dope to hear. Also, sorry if I'm talking a lot. I just have a lot to say. Since the car is quiet, like, I don't know if you guys want to hear nothing. That's another reason why too, like, I haven't done like a proper POV for you guys, because like, as you can see, she's quiet. Like, the most that you guys can hear is probably like just the intakes. That's about it. But like I said, the mods are coming. Just stay patient. I got y'all. Don't worry. Yo, off topic though, this is all I'm gonna say, yo. This is a little hint I can give you guys. I had a passenger with me, the homie Dan, right? I had my homie Dan with me, and I raced my boy Alex in his M4, right? He has a Heritage Edition. He had the honk, and let me just put the video here. Let me put the video here. As you guys can see, yo, your boy came out on top. So as of right now, I'm undefeated. I am 1-0 right now in terms of races. But as you guys can see, like, she gets down, and I just can't wait. I'm so excited to just turn it up a little bit more and just see what this platform has to offer. I know this platform gets down because my homie CJ, yo, he has a crazy built M3, and yo, that ride in that car was just like a roller coaster. And yeah, you guys, like, I just can't wait to link with bro, yo, so the girls can meet. I don't want to drag this video out too long. Let me know again what type of content y'all want to see. It's about to be winter time though, so like in terms of like meets and stuff, I know they're dying down. I do have a meet that I'm popping out to tomorrow with the homie Justin. I don't know if Dan will join us this meet, but we'll see. I'll let y'all know. We'll play it by ear, but this should be a pretty solid meet, so I'm definitely gonna try to get some content for you guys. And then I'm gonna probably, actually, no, I don't want to insert it in this video. I'm gonna make this a separate video just dedicated to, like, you know, me talking with y'all. But I'll definitely make another video of us going to a meet or something like that. This one is just like a, you know, chop it up with you guys, catch up with everybody, see how everybody doing type of video. I know there's probably a lot of young kids watching this video, and I just wanted you guys to know something. Like, you can literally achieve all of this, you know, if you manifest it and you put in the work. And don't do what I did. This is one thing I'm gonna tell you. If you are under the age of 18, this is all I'm gonna say, yo. Stack your mother bread, gang. Just stack your bread. You can literally have this by the time you're 18. If you're like 16, right, just stack every paycheck, yo. Stack every paycheck, build credit, make sure your credit good. Don't be out here splurging on designer every time you get paid. You feel me? Don't do what I did. I was keeping it blood raw with y'all. I should have been had this car, but you know, it worked out, you feel me? I just had to wisen up. It takes one good year, and shoot, you can achieve greatness. So don't let nobody discourage you from doing that. You got it. Just stay focused. While everybody's partying, you're working, you stacking, you're doing something. Stay on your purpose. You got it. Almost at the spot to link with the homie Justin. I'll probably insert some clips right here of the photo shoot. If you guys don't see it, just know that the shoot did not go well. So no, I got you. I'm gonna insert some clips. All right, the homie Justin just pulled up. We about to shoot real quick. But yeah, thank you guys again. If you guys are new, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.